So if you're a small YouTuber like me, I believe you have passed through a whole lot of hard time trying to grow your YouTube channel. But of the day, you have still not be able to grow your YouTube channel, maybe because of your your thumbnails, your videos title, your file name. There are many things that you may be missing based on your audience. Maybe you are creating videos that your audience are not interested. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do. I implemented these tools few months ago and I started seeing changes on my YouTube channel, which I was able to monetize my YouTube channel. So it was a happy moment for me. So and I've seen many of my small YouTubers like me how they are struggling to grow their YouTube channel because they have passions and they love to be good content creator, especially in the YouTube platform. So I try to make sure this video will be a helpful video for you guys so that you may also use this method that I actually use and try it on a YouTube channel and it's going to work perfectly for you. I know most big content creators or YouTubers are not going to explain this thing to you, but in this video, you need all these things that will help you to grow as a YouTuber because you may be passing many things from month to month, from year to year, you still be stuck in one place. Imagine after all the effort that you have put in creating your videos, you found out that there is nobody to view your videos, no one to comment, no one to even share your videos. YouTube is not even recommending your videos. It's your fault because you may have missed many things that YouTube is actually sending to you, but because you don't understand or you have not getting the right information, that is why you see your YouTube channel being as if it's being stored in one place. So one thing I would like to say before I will take you directly to the YouTube studio. I mean the YouTube studio that you normally use or you check your YouTube channel. That is where I'm going to show you some of these tools that YouTube is actually sending to you that you are not making use of it. But before I will go straight to that video or to that point, please, I want you to pay attention to this video, to what I'm about to tell you now. If you're a small YouTuber like me, you know I'm a small YouTuber. If you check my audience is small. And the same thing with you. We are facing the same thing, okay? So when I see you being in this kind of situations, it pains me a lot. And now I want to say this to you. If you create a new YouTube channel, please, what you need to do, just allow that YouTube channel to rest at least like 2 to 3. Let me just say maximum or minimum is 2 weeks for that YouTube channel to settle down. The reason I will tell you in the end of this video, okay? I will explain that for you because I really want that YouTube channel that you just created now to start recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Now, I would like you to break the rules of YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have this app on your phone that is called the YouTube Studio, please, this app is very useful for you. Okay, it's very useful for you that if you start using this app and understand how this app works, you may actually know what YouTube wants from you, especially from your audience, the kind of content your audience are needing, what your audience want, the kind of videos that YouTube is actually recommending for your audience, especially those that watch your videos. You see, whenever you see or you check your analysis on your YouTube studio, you see that a video of yours that goes viral will be attached to other people's videos that are being recommended after they watch your videos. Okay, this is because their audience are no longer interested of some of the videos that you actually have. And now, if you want to compete with those people, with those YouTubers, you have to follow those steps that YouTube is actually showing on your analysis in the YouTube studio. So if you follow those steps, you may start getting positive results in your YouTube channel. Now, I would like you to join me on my screen where I'll show you this thing that I'm actually talking about. Okay, I will show you everything that you need to understand how this work, so that you stop misleading yourself and start engaging yourself in the right content that your audience are actually looking for. This will actually help you to grow very well. Okay. If you have not yet joined my community, please help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. You are not going to be charged for anything. Just subscribe, support me. I'm a small YouTuber like you. Just support me and I will support you as well. So like my video, comment, and tell me the kind of situation that you're actually facing that is giving you a tough time for you to grow. Because I actually want you to get monetized. I actually want you to get to be smiling whenever you put on camera on your face in order to create content that will encourage other creators like you. So without wasting much time, guys, let's dive into the video. Let me show you this thing in my dashboard, okay, in my YouTube studio. Please don't delete that app. Use the YouTube studio because that is where you're gonna get right good analysis that YouTube is very sending to you. So let me show you that.
Yes, we are going to go over to our YouTube studio, just like what I said to you that you should join my screen. Let me show you what you're actually missing in your YouTube studio. Now, I'm going to go to my YouTube studio. Okay, so this is my YouTube studio. Okay, this is my dashboard on my YouTube studio. Okay, now I'm going to go over to my analysis here. Okay, which is this very one, this one. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, now pay attention to what I'm about to explain to you. So over here, you see, there is something that I actually want you to pay attention, please. You see this place like this. There are many things here. You see this four dot here and these two things. There are many things here. I want to explain to you now. You see top tips for your thumbnail. Now click on this thing now. You see, say thumbnail help viewers choose yours. Now let's see how your thumbnails are doing. Now let's go. You see those thumbnails are working well. Now if you check these three thumbnails, you see that there is no how that an audience or a viewer will not click on this thumbnail on this video to see what is in the content of this video. Okay, so when an audience click on this video and the video or the thumbnail, according to the thumbnail, the video say what is in the in the thumbnail. The person will click the video and will keep coming to watch more videos on this YouTube channel. Now let's move on again. Now you say here is how to give your thumbnails every chance to shine. These are things that you don't know, and it's in your YouTube studio. Okay, you can find this thing in your YouTube studio. This is what YouTube is trying to let you to know that okay, if it is something, if something is wrong with your YouTube channel, YouTube will tell you. If something is right, they will tell you. So now let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Yeah, if you check here, you see make sure they are clean and easy to read. Now if you look on this thumbnail, do you see any bad thumbnail here? There is no how that you cannot click on this thumbnail because all these thumbnails are very unique. The text is okay, they are bold, and they are not too much colors. Okay, there is no too much colors on this thumbnail. So that is why I keep on begging you guys that whenever you create a thumbnail, make sure your thumbnail is bold enough, the text, the font is bold enough, is clear and clean. You don't need mix of too much colors. Okay, so that people that actually want to click on your thumbnail will actually know that this person is a professional in this field, he know what he's doing. Okay, your video may be good, but your thumbnail may be something that will make viewers not to click on your video. Okay, just get it right. So YouTube is trying to let me know that okay, make sure they are clean and easy to read. Okay, these are things that YouTube is telling you, but most of you don't know about this. Now thumbnail change size on different device, so use high resolution image and text. Okay, that is very important. They are trying to let you know. Now let's move on again. Stand out next to other thumbnail. Now they are telling me that your thumbnail should preview your videos and spark curiosity. Now just take a look. There is no how that you can come on this thumbnail that you cannot click those videos. Okay, that you cannot click those videos. Now let's move on here. You see, always remember to find your style. Familiar colors, familiar colors, face, and fonts help viewers return to your channel, just like what I explained earlier to you guys. Now keep it simple. Bold color designs are catching, but too much is overwhelming. You see, this is what you don't know. Too much color in your in your YouTube thumbnail will make YouTube not to suggest your video or viewers not to click your video. YouTube may suggest your video, but viewers are not clicking on the videos. Okay, now target your audience, match design to your viewers, preference and familiarity with yours. Okay, now let's move on. You say, what want more? Watch for more ways to boost your channel, your thumbnail. Okay, now this is all about. Now let's move on to the other one that I actually want to explain to you guys. Let's go. Okay, you see, learn how YouTube recommend content. Now click on this very one. You see, recommendations are based on a few different things. Now let's take a closer look. Now let's go. You see, do your videos stand out to people? Now take a look on this. So now this is how YouTube suggests content. They are going to push this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and see if viewers are going to click on these videos. So if viewers do not click on this video, YouTube is going to bring down all these videos and suggest another videos. So when they begin to see that people actually click on those videos, they will begin to suggest most of my content to new audience. Okay, now let's go. Now they say, do people choose your video? Now see, you see, every 100 times your thumbnails are shown, viewers choose them one time. I don't know the reason, because the thumbnails are good, but what is making viewers not to click on my videos? So this is it. They say many popular videos are choose up to 10 times in the first day. That is it. There are many videos, people that create videos like you, like me, people click on their videos more than what YouTube is saying, 10 times than mine. Now let's move on. He said, do your video keep people watching? Now, your 12-minute videos, this is 1.440. Let's go here. You say many popular 12-minute videos is 6 minutes 10 seconds. Okay, let's keep going. Now, do people enjoy your videos? This is like, share, and comment. Okay, this is it. People are showing more of what they like, share, and respond positively into YouTube survey. Okay, so this is it. This is things that you're actually missing. Don't forget how people are influenced by top interest. Are you choosing a popular or unique topic? That is what I tell you guys. I've made a video about this, how you can choose or how you can follow trending topic, trending videos that people are talking about, especially in your niche. You watch that video in the description of this video. Okay, check the link. The link is there. Now see competitions. Are there other videos on the topic they could watch? That is the number one thing. When you are making a video, that is why I talk about playlists. Okay, you can watch that video in the description of this video where I talk about playlists, how you can create a playlist and be talking about videos that are related to that playlist. Okay, now you see seasonality. There are times that videos move depend on that kind of season. So what are the videos that you're actually making? That is number one thing. Okay, now learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendation. So you see, say YouTube algorithm 2023, what creator need to know. Now, if I want to make a video about this, I will say, you see, learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendation. YouTube algorithm 2025, what creator need to know. Okay, so this is it, guys. I think this is where we are going to end this video. Please make sure you always use this and know how your YouTube work. Now come over here again. Let's come. You say new viewers found your videos channel in the last 90 days. Okay, now take a look. You say one way to grow is getting more to return. Now you see 89% and I have 11% returning to view my videos. Okay, now you want over new viewers with those videos. These are the videos that actually trend on my YouTube channel. Okay, now say here is how to keep them coming back. Understand their brand. what first made them choose your videos. These are things that you need to understand. Now, involve your topic. What type of content are they expecting from you? Now, you need to know that what kind of content did your audience are expecting from you, that you will create more of those topics. Now, stand out. Do they recognize you when looking for something to watch? Always use unique images to create your thumbnail. Very important. Okay. Let's move on. Discover more ways you can make them more of trend. Okay, understanding your viewers, trend, new and return viewers. Okay, this is very important. So, guys, I think this is where we are going to end this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please join my community. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. Support me. I'm a small YouTuber. I really need you guys' support. Okay, and as you support me, God is going to bless you, and God is going to support you, and I'm going to support you as well. So I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in another video.